Yo guys, it's Casper Beamish, and I have a very big announcement to make. Right now I'm working on a new Thomas Wooden Railway movie. It's called Hank versus Murdoch, and it's basically, since Hank and Murdoch are like two of the most two of the world's the two of Sodor's my strongest engines. I thought, hey, I think it will be kind of cool to to make a movie, about it. So, I'm start with some ideas that I had back in July, but then I thought, nah, that won't be very good. But then actually, I thought about that last month in October, and I thought, hey, maybe I should do it again because then I was thinking, since obviously that movie will probably involve the Flying Scotsman, obviously, in several scenes. But basically it's going to come out in January next year. That'll probably be when I'm finishing, and then it'll premiere on January 19th next year, January 19th 2024. So basically the movie won't be filmed on my filming table. I'll make a layout for it, just because for that sort of thing, we have a particular map, we'll have obviously certain areas will be in the past, some things will not, so it would just be easier to have a layout for it rather than do it on my filming table. So yeah, right now I'm also I'm getting a big lot of TWR items. I'll do an unboxing video of it, but the movie will include a lot of the things that are coming in that lot. I'll do an unboxing video of it, and then I'll just continue with Engine Town, and until the next until January 19th next year. Then the movie will premiere. I'll upload the trailer pretty soon as well, probably late this month, early December, who knows. But also guys, these two sheds with them here will also be included quite a lot in the movie as well, because like I said, the movie's obviously going to be called Hank versus Murdoch, and basically what the thing is about, hey, I'm not going to spoil that, but anyway, basically, yeah, these sheds are going to be included quite a bit. There's also going to be basically all of the sheds on the layout, except for one of the work sheds are all going to be in the same place. I'm going to have one of the pair one of the work sheds is going to be I don't know, near Misty Island. It's also going to be based around a little bit about Misty Island as well, just in case you guys are wondering. So be excited for that. But I won't say too much more else, or else it'll spoil the thing and give some things away. But anyway guys, be excited for that coming soon. Stay tuned for the unboxing video, and then the trailer, and then actually no, probably the trailer first, then the unboxing video, and then continue with Engine Town. Probably do a few more other videos maybe, and then the movie. So hope you enjoyed this video guys, and stay tuned for more things soon. See you later.